Hey guys, we're at the Victoria today here in Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club. This is a model home. It's now for sale. Let's go inside. Plus that pump is on out there and it's super noisy. Okay, here in our entryway, we have a closet here. This is our den. We've got double glass doors. And as you can see, this is a really large room. No closet, so that's why it's a den. Alrighty. And it comes fully, my husband's whispering notes to me. Okay, laundry room. What you see is what you get. It's professionally decorated, fully furnished. All appliances are included. This is our guest bath with the shower. This is a guest bedroom. Really nice. Yeah, loving the lamps and stuff like that. And just the soft shades of beige. It's very, I don't know, it's calming. There's something very calming about this place. All right, in back here, everything opens up. We've got a good sized kitchen, the U-shaped granite countertop, under cabinet seating here. We've got a pantry over here, all appliances, of course, all included. We've got some nice pull-out drawers. Got a little trim work up there on the top of your cabinets and the tray ceiling here, as well as the living room, as well as that dining space. Now they have it set up where they're using the dining room over here, your living space here, obviously, and then kind of a conversation nook in this space here. You can do whatever you want, but this is typically your dining room and a little conversation nook over there. But they switched it up and I kind of like it, something different. Okay, over here is our owner's suite. As you can see, we have a really good size room here. King size bed, chest of drawers, dresser. You do have access here. By the way, high impact glass, so we're not worried about hurricanes. And we're not in a flood zone, so we shouldn't have any issues with that either. But you've got a really good size lanai here and access right from the bedroom, which is kind of fun and sexy if you're having some wine or something out there in the evenings. Here we've got two closets, a his and hers. We have double vanities. This one's a little larger, so for the ladies, I'm assuming I need more space than he does. And then the soaking tub and the step-in shower here. So that's great. Lavatory, obviously we need those. Okay, let's go back to the main space and talk about this one. So I can't remember what I had mentioned yet or not. So they're asking $455. Social membership, so you have access to pickleball, tennis, bocce ball, tiki bar, clubhouse, resort pools. There's five satellite pools and one resort pool and a lap pool. There's just a lot of fun, silly little games and activities that the community does to get everybody together so you can meet your neighbors. So that's a lot of fun in here. Nice quiet streets. It is a golf community, so of course you can use your golf cart. And even though this unit doesn't have golf, we are 10 minutes golf cart ride over to Burnt Store Marina, and you can play golf over there right now off season. Somebody told me it was like $27 for 18 holes. I was like, dang, that's cheap. Okay, but if you're interested in this property, I'm going to be hosting an open house here from 1 to 4 on Sunday. And I have 6 open houses, so this is just one of them that you can see. But hit them all. You'll see me at one place anyways, and we can talk about a comparative market analysis. So if you're interested in what you could actually make an offer on this place for and what it could go for, I would love to enlighten you with those figures. So yeah, come check it out. If you don't see me there, go to my website. That's buyahousewithbarbie.com. Like, subscribe, and follow me. Let's talk about your wish list.